Good day everyone, this is CEsolves and ang topic natin ngayon is resultant of forces and components and may tatlo tayo ditong problem. So let's start. So problem 3 natin is force P of magnitude 50 kN is acting at 215 degrees from x-axis and hanapin natin yung components niya na PA 157 degrees from x and PB negative 69 degrees from x. So ngayon is i-drawing muna natin siya. Gawa tayo ng Cartesian plane. Tapos i-plot natin to isa-isa. Yung force P natin, magnitude 50 kN, 215 degrees from x-axis. So, this is 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So, meron tayong 180 papunta dito. So, yung force P natin is 215 degrees. Kaya, gawin natin, since may 180 na tayo dito, para makuha natin yung degree from this part of the axis, is gawin natin 215 minus 180 degrees. Equal yan sa 15 minus 180, 35 degrees. So, drawing natin. This is. Tapos, i-plot natin to isa-isa. Yung force P natin, magnitude 50 kN, 215 degrees from x-axis. So, this is 35 degrees. So, next naman natin i-plot is, wait, erase ko lang to. Next natin i-plot is yung, PA natin, which is ito. Siya naman is 157 degrees from x. So, since this is 90, para makuha natin yung angle, subtract natin 180 minus 157, that's 23 degrees. So, yan, plot natin siya dito. This is 23 degrees. PA. This is P, 50 kN. So, next natin is yung PB, which is negative 69 degrees from x. So, from negative 69 degrees from x, dito siya magsa-start. So, pa 69 degrees papunta dito. So, ito yon. This is 69 degrees. So, next naman natin, using the parallelogram law, i-reflect natin tong PB at PA. Ito, yung PB, i-reflect natin dito. So, yan. Reflect natin siya dito. Yan yung PB. At yung PA naman, which is ito, i-reflect natin siya papunta dito. This is PA. Wait, ayusin ko lang tuloy yung P natin para nasa gitna siya dito. So, since nakuha na natin yung parallelogram, hanapin na natin yung angles. And ito, erase lang muna natin to kasi mag-reflect tayo. Basta ito, P siya. So, yan. Magawa tayo dito ng line. Dito sa part na to. Since, di ba, para makuha natin yung angle nito, which is just 35 degrees. This is 35 degrees. And dito naman, makikita natin na kapag in-extend natin to, itong line na to, papunta dito, ang opposite angle nito will be here. So, 69 degrees siya. So, kapag ginawa natin yung same logic, this will also be 69 degrees. So, yan, pwede na natin makuha yung angle na to. So, since ang line na to is equal to 180 degrees, 180, minus natin yung 69 degrees at 35 degrees. Minus 69 degrees, minus 35. So, we got an angle of 76 degrees. 76 degrees. So, para makuha rin natin tong angle na to, i-add natin tong angle na to, which will be 23 plus 35, will be 58 degrees. So, nakuha na natin yung angle dito. So, di ba ang triangle, equal na angle niya sa loob is 180 degrees. So, minus natin siya, 180 minus 76 minus 58. So, ang angle na ito will be equal to 46 degrees. So, yan, nakuha na natin siya, yung mga angle. So, apply natin yung law of sine. So, para makuha natin, yung start tayo sa PA, anong opposite niya na angle? Ito. So, magiging siyang PA sine 76. Next is, gawin naman natin yung PB. Equate natin. PB, yung opposite niyang angle, which will be 58 degrees. PB equals sine 58 degrees. And yung P naman, yung opposite niyang angle, yung P natin is ito. Ang opposite niyang angle is 46 degrees. So, P over sine 46. Ang tawag dito is law of sine. So, next natin is equate na muna natin yung P and PB. Itong dalawa. So, P over sine 46 is equal to PB over sine 58. And itong P, palitan natin ng magnitude na 50 kN kasi given ba yan sa problem. So, this will be 50. So, yan. I-solve natin siya sa calculator. I-cross multiply. So, magiging 50 sine 58 is equal to PB sine 46. Divide natin both sides by 46. Makakancel siya dito and malilipat siya dito. Sine 46. So, yan. Pwede na natin makuha yung magnitude ng PB. Input natin siya sa calculator. So, our PB will be 58.95 kN. So, next. Nakuha na natin yung PB. Kunin naman natin yung PA natin. So, ang next naman natin equate sa tatlong ito, yung PA at yung P. So, P over sine 46 is equal to PA over sine 76. Cross-multiply natin. Magiging P sine 76. At yung P, palitan na natin ng 50 kasi given na siya. 50. 50 sine 76 is equal to PA sine 46. So, yan. Divide natin both sides by sine 46. Magiging PA is equal to 50 sine 76 over sine 46. So, input natin siya sa calculator. Magiging 67.44 kilonewtons. So, nakuha na natin yung PA at PB natin. Ito yung PA. So, pwede natin siyang i-check gamit ng cosine law. So, to check, yung gamitin natin yung formula na A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine alpha. So, yan. Ang gawin natin A dito is yung P squared is equal to B squared natin is PA squared plus PB squared minus 2PA PB cosine yung degree ay yung angle ng P. So, 46. Kasi yan yung opposite dito sa graph. Yan. Tapos, i-substitute natin yung na-solve nating values. P is 50. 50 squared is equal to PA is 67.44 squared plus PB is 58.95 squared minus 2 times PA is 67.44 times PB is 58.95 cosine 46. So, yan. Pag in-input natin siya, 50 is equal to 50. So, tama yung solution natin. So, for our next problem naman is find the net force on the ring due to the three applied forces. F1 equals 30 kN, 37 degrees, 50 kN, 135 degrees, at 80 kN at 240 degrees. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina is i-draw muna natin siya as Cartesian plane. Yan. Next is, draw natin isa-isa yung forces. Yung F1 muna natin ang i-drawing. So, 30 kN siya. Tapos, 37 degrees. So, 30 kN, 37 degrees. So, dito siya. Kasi 37 degrees from x-axis. So, this is 30 kN. Next is F2, 50 kN, 135 degrees. So, from x-axis, dito siya. Diba dito 90 degrees? So, gawin natin is 135 minus, 180 minus 135. So, 45 degrees to. This will be 45 degrees. And 50 kN siya. Next is yung F3 natin. This is F1. F1. F2. Next is yung F3 natin which is 80 kN at 240 degrees. So, 90, 180. Next is 240 minus 180 para mahanap natin yung angle in reference sa x-axis. So, 240 minus 180 is 60 degrees. So, 60 degrees siya from the negative x-axis. 60 degrees. So, F3 natin is 80 kN. Yan. Ang net force na tinutukoy dito, yung hinahanap na net force, it will just be the same as finding the resultant force. So, solve na natin siya isa-isa. Hanapin muna natin yung F1, X and Y component. So, ang F1 natin is 30 kN. So, F1x will be 30 cosine 37. And F1y natin will be 30 sine 37. So, yan. Solve natin siya isa-isa. 30 cosine 37. 23.96 kilonewtons. At 30 sine 37 will be 18.05 kilonewtons. Yan, nahanap na natin yung x and y components ng F1. Next naman is yung sa F2. F2x is 50 cosine 45. So, 50 cosine 45 is 35.36 kilonewtons. And F2y naman will be 50 sine 45. So, 50 sine 45 will be parehas lang 35.36 kilonewtons. So, next naman natin is hanapin natin yung F3, X, and Y components. So, F3 will be F2, F3X, 80 kilonewtons, cosine 60 will be 80 cosine 60, 40 degrees, ay 40 kilonewtons. At F3Y naman natin will be 80 sine 60. So, calculate natin siya. 69.28 kilonewtons. So, ngayon is lagyan natin ng mga negative or positive sign based sa sa position niya sa Cartesian plane. So, F1 parehas positive x and y values. So, parehas siya positive x and y values kasi nasa quadrant 1 siya. So, quadrant 2 naman is positive yung y niya, positive y, pero negative x siya. So, negative x. So, dito lagyan natin sa F2, lagyan natin ng negative yung x niya. So, next is yung sa F3 naman. Negative x value, so negative x value and negative din ang y value kasi pababa. So, parehas to negative. So, ngayon is isum natin yung x components at y components. So, start tayo sa x components. Ito yung mga x components. 23.96 minus 35.36 minus 40 kilonewton. So, equate natin. Yung Rx yung resultant natin. So, ang summation ng x components will be the Rx. So, ang Rx natin is negative 51.4 kilonewtons. At yung summation of y components natin will be this one, itong tatlo. Ito, tapos ito. 18.05 plus 35.36 minus 69.28. Ang Ry natin will be negative 15.87. So, meron na tayong Rx and Ry. Hanapin na natin yung magnitude ng R. So, R will be the square root of Rx squared plus Ry squared. Sabi sa formula. So, R is square root of Rx. So, negative 51.4 squared plus negative 15.87 squared. So, input natin siya sa calculator. Ang R natin will be 53.8 kilonewtons. So, yan. Nahanap na natin yung net force natin. Ito yung resultant force. Resultant or net force. So, para mahanap naman natin yung direction is gamitin natin yung formula na theta is equal to tan negative 1 Rx over Ry. So, inverse tan, Ry natin, Ry to, hindi Rx. So, Ry over Rx. So, Ry natin is negative 15.87 over Rx is negative 51.4. So, angle natin will be 17.16 degrees. So, yan yung direction natin. So, ang next problem natin is determine the x and y components of forces shown. So, may apat tayo ditong forces which is the F1, the F2, F3, and F4. So, isa-isahin natin siya. So, F1 will be 58 kilonewtons. So, hanapin natin yung F1x and F1y. So, since ang angle niya in reference sa sa x-axis, ang formula natin will be F cosine 30. So, yan. It will be 58 cosine 30. At F1y naman natin will be 58 sine 30. Input natin siya sa calculator. 50.23 kilonewtons. At yung 58 sine 30 naman will be 29 kilonewtons. Next is yung F2 naman yung isolve natin, which is this one. So, F2 is 50 kilonewtons. So, F2x, F2y. Since, in reference sa x-axis ulit, same solution, same formula lang sa F1. So, 50 cosine 45 and 50 sine 45. 35.36. And 50 sine 45 is same lang naman, 35.36 kilonewtons. And yung F3 naman will be 45 kilonewtons and may slope siya na given. So, F3x will be, hanapin muna tuloy natin yung hypotenuse. So, square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared equal yan sa 13. So, 13 ang value nitong hypotenuse na to. So, gawin na natin 45 times horizontal, which is 5, over the hypotenuse. So, 45 times 5 over 13. That will be 17.31 kilonewtons. At yung F3y naman natin is the 45 times the vertical, which is 12, over the hypotenuse. So, multiply natin siya. The answer will be 41.54 kilonewtons. Next is yung fourth naman natin na 4. So, F4 will be F4x. Since isa lang siya, nakalay lang siya sa x-axis, meron lang siyang x component at walang y component. So, F4x is 40 kilonewtons. And F4y is 0 kilonewtons. So, yan. Since nahanap na natin yung mga magnitude, i-add natin yung mga, kung negative ba siya or positive, depending on the region where the forces are placed. So, F1, nasa quadrant 1 siya. So, positive x and positive y values. So, yan, tama na positive tong dalawa. And yung F2 naman is nasa quadrant 2, so negative x and positive y. So, negative ang niya kasi papunta sa negative direction yung F2x at papunta sa positive yung F2y. So, negative dapat yung x niyan. So, lagay natin ng negative dito. At yung F3 naman is parehas negative yung x and parehas negative yung x and y components kasi ito yung x component niya papunta sa negative direction. Ang positive direction is papunta sa right. Tapos yung y naman is negative kasi ang positive direction papunta sa taas. So parehas negative yung x and y values. So negative. Yung F4 naman papunta yung x niya sa positive direction. So positive, tama. At yung y naman is 0. So yan. Box na natin yung mga final answer natin. Ito yung x and y components. Ito yung x and y components. Yung x and y components. At ito yung x and y components. So, yan lang naman yung problems na i-solve natin today. And thank you guys for watching. And sana, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. Bye-bye. Thank you guys.